today we are talking about the hypopressive apnea, and we are going to actually go through a hypopressive apnea sequence so that you can experience what the apnea feels like in your body. Inhale, exhale, all of those things that we were doing with the lateral breath, you're now going to incorporate into a sequence with the hypopressive breath at the bottom of the third breath. So I'm going to demonstrate the sequence for you now, and then we're going to do it together. You're going to place your hands on the front of your rib cage, feet about hip width apart, stacked right underneath your hips, which are right underneath your shoulders, and you're going to inhale. Fill those lungs, exhale. Belly button pulls in and up toward your spine. Make sure you have a nice little access shift forward to align all of the different sections of your body. Inhale, exhale. And on this third breath, we're going to inhale, exhale, nice and soft, don't over breathe out. Just like you're missing a window, close it off at the bottom, and begin that apnea, that false inhale. And release that. So you'll notice that when I did that, when I demonstrated it for you, there was a little indentation in my glottis, and then you notice that scooping of the belly. That is all, remember, a natural connection. We are not trying to get that stomach vacuum and intentionally doing it. We are just taking advantage of and deepening that connection. So let's do it together now. We're going to inhale, hands on the front of your rib cage, filling those lungs, 360-degree lateral expansion around the rib cage. Inhale. Exhale, nice and soft. Good, like you're missing a window. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, third time. Exhale, at the bottom of this, you're going to close it off. And begin the apnea. And exhale. Only hold that apnea to the point that you are comfortable. You shouldn't be feeling like you need to gasp for air at the end of it. And your body is probably not going to be very familiar with this initially, so it might take some practice and some getting that into the routine of your body in order for you to feel comfortable holding that apnea for a prolonged period of time. So we're going to do another sequence, but we're just going to gently hold that apnea this time, just since this is your first time. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, second time. Exhale. Third inhale. Exhale, nice and soft. Close it off and begin the apnea. And release. I'm going to demonstrate something you can do with your arms right now. After you have gotten that a little bit into your body, you're going to put your palms facing down. Your elbows are going to be very slightly bent, and you're going to feel energy out your fingertips. Nice access shift forward. We're going to do that same sequence. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Inhale one more time. Exhale. Third inhale. Exhale, nice and soft. Close it off at the bottom and begin that apnea. And release. So that is how a hypopressive apnea or false inhale is performed. keep practicing along with the demonstration until you get it into your body. And don't worry, as time goes through, the more consistent you are with this, it will start to feel more natural in your body. I hope that this helped, and I hope you learned something.